Friends, is it really true that if you open a Coca-Cola bottle underwater, the soda doesn't come out after the gas is released? But this guy doesn't believe the video either, so he decides to try it himself. First, he brings a Coca-Cola bottle and a large container. Then he starts filling the container with water. After completely filling the container with water, he places the Coca-Cola bottle inside. Then he starts opening the cap, but just before opening it, on one side is mom, and on the other side is money. Who would you choose? Like me? If you choose mom, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. After liking and subscribing, click on remix and hold the D sound for 3 seconds. And then a magic will happen. When the cap is opened, Coca-Cola doesn't come out at all.